guys, so today I'm doing like a makeup tutorial. I got some new stuff from Christmas because today's Christmas. Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial because I felt like doing that today. Yeah. Let's get this on a roll. Let's go. So here's me being stupid. Oh my god. Okay, first I put on a headband because I have bangs and they get in the way. So that's it, really. Then I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape concealer for my under eyes and all that stuff. And here's me trying to get it to focus, but my camera is not good. So okay, so I don't use foundation because I love myself, but I'll put concealer on because I don't love myself that much. So I put it on my forehead, my under eyes, on my nose, and on my chin. Then I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend it all out. So yeah. So I use this Airspun loose powder to set my concealer, and my concealer is basically like exactly my skin tone usually, so you can't really see a difference. So yeah, don't yell at me in the comments. I also don't really know what this palette's called, but it's not high-end. Neither is this one. I got it from the drugstore, and I only have 4 brushes. So yeah, so I'm taking the lightest color and I'm putting on my lid as like a base because that's what we do here. And here's me dancing. Did I mean to have this in here? No, I didn't. What is going on? I didn't have to edit this out, but then, we're gonna take these two kind of dark colors, and I'm going to mix them together and put it in my crease and just all over right there, so that I have a base color to work from. Honestly, probably all the MUAs and mois are yelling at me and screaming right now, but whatever. Hey, beautiful girl. I was gonna see if you could. But no, it's fine. I wasn't doing anything. So now I'm taking these 2 shades and mixing them together and putting it on the corner of my eye, right there. Yeah, I don't know what that's called, but it's right there. And I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape concealer again, and I'm making a half cut crease on my eye, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to use this Urban Decay glitter stuff, and I'm going to put it where I created the cut crease. So we have glitter, because I don't have that glitter stuff that everyone has. I also put on mascara, but you didn't see me do that because, yeah. Now I'm doing my brows. Wow, magic. I used MAC pomade, ELF pomade, and the same concealer plus angle brush. Oh my god, this is so fast. Okay, well, now I'm done, but I'm not, because I'm using highlighter with a fan brush that everyone hates, but my mom got it for me, so yeah, you can't see it, but it's there. It's pretty good.